No matter wherever you go, no matter how remote a village, no matter what region of India, you will always find Maggi 2-minute noodles. Maggi, launched in India in 1983, the year when India won the Cricket World Cup, the first time. The Maggi brand originates from Switzerland, where in 1886 Julius Maggi created a recipe of flavors to bring added taste to meals. This marked the beginning of the Maggi brand and its convenient products. Known for his nutrition-oriented approach, the Swiss government asked Julius Maggi to create a product that would be quick to prepare yet nutritious, as more and more women were working outside the home. The results were a success: 2 instant pea soups and an instant bean soup. After Julius Maggi died in 1908, Maggi's holding company merged with Nestlé in 1947. Today, India is the biggest market of instant noodles for Nestlé. 2 Minutes Noodles campaign gave a great start to Maggi at the launch. In 95,000 crore instant noodles market in India, Nestlé has a 60% market share today.